Hey guys, today in this video we're going to learn how to deactivate Snapchat account. And all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application. From there I'm going to tap on my profile and then I'm going to tap on my settings. From there I'm going to scroll down here at the support. So I'm going to tap on I need help. Then from there I'm going to tap on the search bar. Then I'm going to search for deactivate my account. I'm going to tap on delete my account. From there, I'm going to tap on Snapchat account portal. Then I'm going to log into my Snapchat account. From there, I'm going to tap on delete my account. Then I'm going to put my passwords. From there, our account is going to be deactivated in the next 30 days. And in those 30 days, if we haven't reactivated our Snapchat account, our account is going to be deleted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.